Hello, I am Samantha Kelly. I'm a qualified manufacturing jeweller and professional designer. I am delighted to be able to teach you jewellery design and rendering with Jewellery training solutions. During my apprenticeship, I wanted to learn how to present my designs to clients so they could visualise the piece before it was made. After many years of trial and error practice, I was able to develop my own style of techniques, which I can now share with you all so you too can enjoy the amazing art of jewellery design. I have developed a range of different courses for all skill levels. Whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or an advanced student, there will be a course that's perfect for you. In the large white diamond series, I will demonstrate how to use gouache and watercolour paints to create diamond renderings. I've chosen to demonstrate the most popular cuts of diamonds for this series, from round brilliant cut, radiant, heart, and many more. In the Advanced Coloured Gemstones course, you will learn how to render all different types of gemstones and cuts. This course has been designed to challenge students with making their own shades of colour specific to certain types of gemstones and to challenge their painting techniques. The videos are great as there is no time limit or pressure for you to complete the course in. Simply complete the course at your own pace and watch the videos as many times as you like. Learn how to transform your rough sketches into beautifully detailed renderings by learning the basic fundamentals of jewellery design. Some of the courses that are currently available are how to render both large and small diamonds, beginner level coloured faceted gemstones and cabochons, advanced coloured gemstones, and how to draw and render a ring in 3 views, plus many more still to come. Each video has been broken down into both easy to follow subtitled and voiceover instructions, so you are able to draw and paint along with ease. I am also delighted to bring out a new series of videos especially for iPad users who are more technology based. Using the app Procreate, I am able to guide you through a step-by-step process so you can bring designs to life on the iPad. This course will be great for all skill levels, as the videos will range in difficulties and will be guided with voiceover and subtitled instructions. I hope you can all enjoy my courses, which will help develop your skills, techniques, and enhance your own personal rendering styles.